Hi, I'm John Montgomery, 2010 Olympic gold medalist in the sport of men's skeleton, representing Canada. Nowhere else on earth are you going to be able to find a track that's as entertaining, challenging for both the spectators and the athletes as you are right here in Whistler.
It's where the 2010 Winter Olympic Games were held. It's also left a legacy behind for people to come and enjoy, whether it's tourists, locals, athletes.
The skeleton sport experience at the Whistler Signing Center is next to none.
It's fast, it's exciting.
It is going to be out of this world.
The bobsleigh sport experience is a tremendous way for the general public to take part in the sport of bobsleigh. It's the only sport where you can actually participate in the exact same sleds, drive with the same drivers that you'll see racing at the Olympic Games. You'll experience the same types of G-forces, speed, adrenaline, and excitement that we go through on a daily basis.
There isn't another track in the world that you'll be able to go down on your very first descent and achieve the types of speeds that you'll be able to do here safely in Whistler.